Good bloody good afternoon. Dark. Got done on my back. I've got an EpiPen, I'm sorry. Two of those. Good bloody good afternoon. Just doing it. Alright, grubs up. Yummo, looking forward to this. Dinner update. Excuse the making this. HipCamp, they supply water, showers with hot water, toilets. There's an outside dunny there, or an outside shower there. It's about 25 degrees, a bit cold for me. But yeah, awesome property, awesome. They're into the sustainability and they're planting for the future, so they're giving the cannabis a fucking pee. Giving the cannabis a corridor to cruise through. Outdoor sink if you need it. Camp kitchen. So yeah, I'll show you up here. Pippa, what are you doing? Pip's chasing butterflies. She can't help herself. This is the main camp kitchen, so pretty basic. In winter, you'd probably appreciate this. A fireplace and oh, too much goon and Bloody Marys. But yeah, it's a well cleared block. Pip's loving it. She's chasing butterflies. Don't know whether it's just today or a seasonal thing, but they're out. They're out in force. There's heaps of them. Very private, only one camp here, that's us. And yeah, nice property. Go for a bit of a cruise tomorrow. I'll go see the dam and all that. I did go for a walk before. Pippi. Yeah. Don't know if that's their property. Bunch of gates, everything else. There's cattle in there. And they've clearly been mowing the lawns. Yeah. So tomorrow I'll take you out to the dam. And we'll go from there. I'm loving it. Makes me want to get a HipCamp. Show inside the shower. Bit dark in here. Pippi's gone off her head there, but vanity, flushing loo, and shower. How bloody good is this? Hey? For a HipCamp. You don't mind them sort of charging a few bucks if they've got these facilities. Get that in there. Oh. Alright, I'll sort that out. Hang on. Dinner update. There's my poo-poo. Poo-poo-poo. Pip. Sorry, we got broccolini, chicken mignons, and some tomato, some snow peas, mushies, and on the side we got some pasta salad. So tonight's an easy one. It's been a full day doing nothing. Yeah, show you when it's done. Now chicken mignons and some salad, blah blah blah. It smells awesome. I'll show you when it's dished up. Well, good bloody goon evening. Oh, the sultanas are going off. Chicken mignon with oh, they're doing my head in. Tomato, beans, and some pasta salad. Just listen to the magpies and everything else cruise around. This is an awesome spot. Flies are doing my head in though. Can't say I'm a favour of that, but anyway, all good. Fuck off. Good bloody merry morning. This is day 2 now, so we're here for 2 nights, or I'm here for 2 nights. And Pippi, the wind's dropped now, so the butterflies are coming out. Let's get away from her because she's quite loud. Awesome camp. Shower, dunny, camp kitchen, everything else. Well, pretty warm yesterday. What's the butterflies? Can't see anything in there other than a magpie, but whether it's just cropping or... Anyway, I'll go for a walk, have a bit of a sticky beak, try and get Pip to settle down. Just enjoying it. This is the sort of place, if you're new to camping and you need facilities, you need that toilet, shower. This would be good for kids. The camp hosts are super friendly. Funny old bugger. But yeah. Pippi! No more! Come on! Yeah, anyway. Oh. Sultanas are out now too. Pippa! No more! This is Rose's Rest, so when you're going for a bit of a bushwalk, somewhere to stop. It's quite cute. Well, the joys of being allergic to bees. I just got nailed again. I've taken a couple of Zyrtec. Hopefully that'll sort me out. Got done on my back. I've got an EpiPen which I carry. I've got 2 of those. I didn't want to use them. I feel okay. But yeah, scary. my last one that I got nailed on my ear, and straight away my face, my lips, my ears, my throat, my chest, everything all swollen up. But I was getting a bit worried before because my lips, they're a bit swollen, and my face, my eyelids. But I don't feel too bad, so I'll monitor myself and yeah, see how this turns out. Might be the end of my HipCamp, but I'm feeling better. The itchiness has stopped, so the Zyrtec's working. Pretty happy about that. Anyway, let you know. Good bloody Red Bull afternoon. Feeling so much better now. Still a bit lethargic after that bee sting. I'm pretty allergic to them, so yeah, I didn't use the Yappy, so that's a good thing. Just doing dinner. I've got a real simple one for tonight. Let me just spin that around. Stop playing the game. So just doing ravioli and pre-made sauce, carbonara. Pip's still chasing bloody butterflies, and I'll just throw a bit of mix in with some tomatoes, some garlic paste, some chilli, salt, pepper, and oil to mix. My water's nearly there, so I'll start cooking now. And Pippa! And I'll show you when it's plated up. Alright, grubs up. Yummo, looking forward to this. Good bloody morning, time to move on, off to another camp. So, Rose's Reserve, super awesome. Like I was saying the other day, if you're new to camping, this has got everything. Shower, toilet, camp kitchen. I just finished packing the camper up, which you would have seen. Now I'm sweating, it's warm. Off to another HipCamp now, off to Jacaranda Hill, I think it's called. I'm just going to put last night's dinner in there and cranking them up, and we'll be good to go. So I'll show you the next camp. Rose's Reserve. Stunning. I'd like to come back in winter when we can light a fire. Alright, I'm knackered.